So in this video, I'm going to review a weight machine which is made by Dr. Trust, which is a reputable brand in the health and fitness niche. If you're looking to buy a weight machine, then stay tuned till the end of this quick review and you'll be able to order one right now. Talking about the upper surface of this weight machine, it is a hard 6 mm super strong toughened thick glass used and kind of feels scratch proof. So as you can see in the video, the top surface comes with a glossy finish. The edges are also curved very well with a matte texture feel. The material used on the back side is a good quality plastic and comes with 4 rubber heels to grip, hold and give your machine a stable position. The maximum weight that this machine could take is 180 kilograms, which is equals to 397 pounds. It has a simple calculator like display with a blue light which shows measuring as well as battery level. And by the way, the machine can be charged via USB, comes with a USB cable, manual, warranty card and the machine itself in the box. The company doesn't provide the charger in the box, but it's not a big deal. You can use your regular smartphone charger to power the machine. This weight machine comes with a high precision strain gauge sensor which gives pretty accurate readings. If the battery is low or overloaded, the machine also has indicators which will be shown respectively. Using this weight machine is a no-brainer process. Just switch on the button at the back of the machine and if it is charged, then it is ready to use. So as I promised you before, I have put the purchase link down in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. You can buy it right now. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and dhanyawad.